Are you considering homeownership but unsure about the right time to make the move? The decision to buy a home is a significant milestone that requires careful consideration. While the market may seem unpredictable, there are compelling reasons why now might be the ideal time to take the plunge into homeownership. We'll explore the top 3 reasons why buying a home now instead of waiting could prove to be a wise investment. Home values always rise over time. One of the most compelling arguments in favor of buying a home now is the historical trend of home values consistently rising over time. Real estate has proven to be a solid long-term investment, with property values generally appreciating despite short-term fluctuations. By entering the market sooner rather than later, you position yourself to benefit from this upward trajectory. Rates aren't coming down anytime soon. Interest rates are a key factor influencing the affordability of homeownership. Currently, we find ourselves in a relatively high interest rate environment, and rates could stay this way for a while. No one knows exactly what will happen, and economic conditions can change. There's a general consensus among experts that interest rates are more likely to rise than fall in the foreseeable future. You can start building equity sooner. One of the most significant advantages of homeownership is the opportunity to build equity over time. By purchasing a home now, you initiate the wealth building process sooner, allowing you to capitalize on the potential for increased property values.